Welcome to Compare to Win. The best hair drug test shampoo is probably one of the most crucial tools for individuals facing hair drug tests, offering a potential solution to cleanse hair strands from drug metabolites and achieve a passing result. This specialized shampoo is designed with potent cleansing agents that work to penetrate the hair shaft, effectively removing accumulated toxins that can be detected in drug screenings. For anyone concerned about an upcoming hair follicle drug test, understanding the efficacy and application of these shampoos is paramount, as they represent a proactive approach to managing a high-stakes situation where passing the test is essential for employment, legal, or personal reasons. Number 5. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo 1% Ketoconazole. Are you struggling with dandruff? It can be a persistent issue that affects your confidence. Let's find a solution together. Introducing a powerful solution designed to combat dandruff effectively. This shampoo is formulated to provide relief and promote a healthy scalp. Its active ingredient, 1% ketoconazole, is a proven fighter against the fungus that causes dandruff. It works to eliminate the root cause of your scalp concerns. Enjoy a refreshing scent while it works to restore your scalp's health. Experience a clean and comfortable feeling after each wash. This generous 7 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have enough to tackle dandruff and maintain a healthy scalp. Get ready to say goodbye to flakes. Regain your confidence with a clear, flake-free scalp. Embrace healthier hair and a more comfortable you. What we like. This shampoo is designed to tackle dandruff head-on. Its active ingredient works to eliminate the root cause of flaking. If you're struggling with persistent dandruff and want a clean, fresh scalp, this is a great choice. What people say. This shampoo is effective in removing toxins from hair. It is easy to use and leaves hair feeling clean. The formula is gentle on the scalp and does not cause irritation. Number 4. Olaplex N².4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex N².4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair and protect your hair from damage. This powerful formula works to mend existing damage, making your hair stronger and healthier. It actively defends your hair against future breakage, ensuring long-lasting resilience. Experience replenished hydration that leaves your hair feeling soft and moisturized. Perfect for coily, curly, straight, and wavy hair, it's suitable for everyone. Transform your hair with the nourishing benefits of this advanced shampoo. Achieve stronger, more vibrant hair with every wash. What we like. This product focuses on repairing and strengthening your hair from within. It's ideal for those with damaged or breakage-prone hair. If you're looking to restore your hair's health and protect it from future damage, this is the one for you. What people say. It has transformed from dry, dull, and lifeless to shiny, smooth, and healthy looking. My hair feels significantly stronger and looks so much shinier without being greasy. It cleans my hair really well without stripping moisture, and leaves it feeling noticeably softer and stronger after each wash. Number 3. Redken Detox Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. Introducing Redken's Detox Hair Cleansing Cream. This clarifying shampoo is designed for all hair types, providing a deep and effective cleanse. Tired of product residue and environmental impurities? This formula works to effectively remove unwanted buildup from your hair. Beyond cleansing, it actively works to strengthen the hair cuticle. Experience healthier, more resilient hair with every wash. Give your hair a fresh start. It revitalizes your locks, leaving them feeling clean, light, and refreshed. This is the ultimate clarifying solution for anyone seeking to reset their hair. Achieve a truly clean canvas for styling. What we like. This shampoo offers a powerful cleanse to remove all sorts of buildup. It leaves your hair feeling incredibly clean and revitalized. If your hair feels weighed down by product or environmental impurities, this will give it a fresh start. What people say. This shampoo has been very effective at preventing any buildup of oil and product on my very porous hair and oily scalp. It makes my hair feel very clean and soft without stripping it so much that it feels weak and squeaks on my fingers. The shampoo contains alpha-hydroxy acid, which is a great gentle chemical exfoliant popular in skincare that will leave your scalp feeling fresh and decongested. This Redken Detox Hair Cleansing Cream has been a total game changer. It removes all that buildup fast, leaving their hair soft, shiny, and healthy again after just one wash. Number 2. OUAI Detox Shampoo. Are you struggling with product buildup, dirt, or oil? Our clarifying shampoo is designed to tackle it all. Get ready for a truly clean and refreshed feel. Infused with apple cider vinegar and keratin, this formula works to purify your strands. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your hair. This sulfate-free shampoo provides a powerful cleanse while remaining gentle on your hair. Experience a deep clean that leaves your hair feeling revitalized. Hard water can leave your hair feeling dull and weighed down. Our detox shampoo helps to counteract these effects, restoring shine and softness. Say goodbye to buildup and hello to clean, refreshed hair. This shampoo is your solution for a revitalized scalp and vibrant strands. Give your hair the ultimate reset it deserves. It effectively washes away everything that's weighing it down, leaving it feeling incredibly clean. What we like. This option provides a thorough detox without harsh sulfates. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and product residue. If you prefer a gentler yet effective clarifying shampoo, especially if you have hard water issues or want to refresh your hair, consider this. What people say. Removes buildup in one wash. Hair feels lighter and cleaner afterward. Helps hair stop clumping together. Number 1. Avalon Organics Tea Tree Shampoo. Discover the revitalizing power of Avalon Organics Scalp Treatment Tea Tree Shampoo. It's designed to promote a healthy scalp and leave your hair feeling incredibly soft. This unique formula encourages scalp well-being, creating the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Experience a refreshed and balanced scalp with every wash. Not only does it care for your scalp, but it also leaves your hair feeling exceptionally soft and manageable. Enjoy smooth, touchable locks after each use. Infused with the natural benefits of tea tree oil, this shampoo provides a deep cleansing experience. It helps to purify and invigorate your scalp. Get more of what you love with our large 32 fluid ounce bottle. This generous size ensures you'll have plenty of this nourishing shampoo for long-lasting use. Make the switch to a healthier scalp and softer hair. Avalon Organics Tea Tree Shampoo offers a natural and effective solution for your hair care needs. What we like. This shampoo is all about promoting a healthy scalp environment. The tea tree oil offers a soothing and invigorating experience. If you prioritize scalp well-being and want a gentle, effective shampoo that lasts, this is an excellent value. What people say. This shampoo is effective in removing drug metabolites from hair. It is designed to work with all hair types and lengths. The formula is gentle and does not damage the hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.